Hello, I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to share a sneak peek straight from inside our Google Groupies membership vault. This is your chance to get a taste of the time-saving, smart strategies and everyday skills that can help you feel more confident navigating your digital space. Google Groupies has educational content for a wide variety of Google apps, and today we're going to focus on this one. Let's dive into today's preview. Another thing that is very helpful is these freeze bars, which means that if I scroll down, my header row stays there. And I'll show you how to do that. And actually, I did that with the column as well. If I scroll to the right, the first column stays there. So if I have many, many columns of data to the right, my name always stays here, or whatever's the first thing. Fastest way to do that is to hover your cursor over the gray bar and get the hand, and then you can move those to wherever you want. So I sort of undid that, and now you see my header disappears, and if I scroll the other way, the names disappear. But again, watch me put them back. Do you see those little tiny gray bars up here? I can click and drag it with the hand below my header row, or drag this past the names. Now I can also do a couple columns if I really felt like it. I could take it over here, and now those first two columns would be frozen, but that's not really very helpful to me at the moment. You can always change this. This is a living, breathing document that you can always adjust and change it to how you need it at that moment, and then move it around again. What if I actually want the title column closer to the name column? I can actually just get that hand and drag that whole column over to the left. If I'm building this and I put the columns or the headers in the wrong order, I can drag them around at any time that I'd like. This information is more important to me next to their name right now, and maybe later I'm going to need their phone number, so I can drag it over later. Now, undo that again. So there's just so many things that you can do. That is just a small taste of what's waiting for you inside Google Groupies, the ultimate membership for anyone who wants to transform chaos into clarity. If you're tired of feeling stuck or confused with Google Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, or tasks, and you're ready to feel more in control of your digital world, I've got you. Click the link in the description to join the Google Groupies membership and get instant access to a library of self-paced video lessons, bi-weekly live support calls for your real-time questions, and a welcoming, supportive community of people just like you who want to learn, explore, and feel confident using Google tools. So go ahead, hit that link and join us inside. I'll see you there.